Welcome to the OPSB Sensor app, your companion for tracking brace wear and progress. If you're a returning user, you can easily just log in with your username and password. Let's take a quick tour of the app. The homepage displays your total star points, daily star points, your current level, and weekly star points. These star points are rewards for consistent wear, and they help you level up. You can earn 1 star point per day. Wear your brace for at least 80% of your prescribed time, and you'll earn a full star point. Hit between 30% and 79%, and you'll get a half-filled star, but you won't receive a star point. If you hit less than 30%, there'll be no star point for the day. As you earn points, you'll level up, starting from Bronze 1 and moving through Silver, Gold, and all the way to Platinum. Tap the sensor icon to see info about your paired sensor. Here you can check to make sure your sensor is syncing and when the last sync occurred. Ideally, your sensor should sync at least once every 24 hours. To activate or update the sync time, the sensor needs to sync at the current time before the new time will be updated. You can adjust the sensor sync time by clicking Update Slots and adjusting the slot in hours and minutes, as well as the duration in hours and minutes. Then click Save. The phone must be at least 10 to 12 feet from the sensor during that time so the sync can go through. If you notice the sensor hasn't synced recently, or you think it isn't working properly, contact your clinician to determine what the best next step is. Want to see your progress? Tap Reports, select a date range, and you'll see how many days you wore your brace, your average daily wear time, and how that compares to your target goal. Let's head over to the Account section. Tap Edit to customize your profile. You can change your profile color and update your gender if you'd like. You can also switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit for temperature readings and choose your preferred language, English or Spanish. And if you ever want to review how your data is used and protected, you'll find all that info in the privacy policy. And that's it. With the OPSB Sensor app, you're always one step closer to your next level. Stay consistent, track your progress, and keep leveling up.